Hello, student and teacher. Nursing student. We are Lady Cortez and Sebastián Calderón. Now we will see a timeline on animals' rights. Let's say the animals. Animals are loving, get us the bad company, touching a surfeit infected with 2004. Animals advocate boards promote educational and cultural campaigns in and awaken the spirit of love towards animals. You'll suspend and avoid acts of cruelty must remain the injustifiable abandonment of animal states. 2009. True Westland 8 and 4 of 1989 is amended at 6 to expand the frameworks for the protection of animals in the country in order to prevent mistreatment of which they are victims and prevent situations of abuse.
2010 authorized the substitution of animals-drawn vehicles vehicle appropriation for live loads of up to 700 kilograms of capacity to facilitate and encourage the devolution and promotion activities. 2013 to match with the house of wild animals where its neighbors exercise in fear-like internet cirrus is prohibited regardless of the denomination to make the national territory. 2015. The guidelines for the formulation of the public policy for animal protection and welfare for the Capital District. The Ministry of Environment will be in charge of formulating environment. 2016. Animals sentient beings are not things they will receive special protection against suffering and pain, special caused, declared or undeclared by humans. Animals are perfect companions, never have less than 4 legs. Thank you.